Hello, Mr. Bergman. This section here, 8.3, this is what you call a direct variation question. Direct variation questions, they all relate to this equation here, y equal kx. There's many applications that relate to this. If I just made up an example, let's say somebody is paid $10 per hour that they work. Well, if somebody's paid $10 per hour that they work, if you let x equal the number of hours they work each week, number of hours they work, then to find their salary, you let y be their salary here, then y equal 10x would be an equation which would given their hours, you multiply it by 10 and that'll give you their salary. So that's using an example of this. As their hours increase, their salary will increase. If their hours decrease, they'll earn less money. So y is directly related to x. So if I plugged in some numbers, if somebody worked, say, 10 hours, then they would make 10 times 10 or $100. If they worked 40 hours, it'd be 10 times 40, they'd make $400. I'm using this, I'm using this equation here, y equal kx, where 10, the k is $10 per hour. Okay, that gives this equation. As the number of hours increase, the salary increase. One is directly related to others. Many applications of this. In this case, I gave you k. Maybe k's not given sometimes. Let me make up an example. Can't seem to move it. Anyway, let's say somebody works 40 hours in a week, and they make maybe $600. Their salary's at $600. Question comes up: what's their salary per hour? And so if you look at y equals kx, you can find, you're asking, this question's asking for k, and see the value of number of hours would be 40, that's x, the salary is 600, so you can find k here. And so if I put in 600 here, and I put in k's the unknown, they make $40, and it, oops, won't let me move it up. If I divide each side by 40, you see, then k equals $15 per hour. So I'm just giving you different scenarios. If you're given some information, you can find k, or if you're given k, you can find the equation. Okay, there are different scenarios. This type of problem pops up quite often, so that's why we look at it specifically. So let's see here.